Welcome! If you're tired of seeing those incognito mode notifications popping up on your phone from Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to turn them off step by step, so you can browse privately without unnecessary alerts. First, grab your phone and open the Google Chrome app. Make sure you're on the main screen of the browser before moving to the next step. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This opens the Chrome menu where you'll find several options. From here, scroll down a bit and select Settings. This is where you can control how Chrome behaves on your device. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications. This section manages all the alerts Chrome can send to your phone. Next, make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. This might sound a bit strange since we want to disable something, but keeping this enabled allows you to customize specific notification types instead of turning everything off. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This is where things get more specific. You'll see a list of different notification types that Chrome can send. Now look for the option labeled Incognito. Once you find it, simply toggle